Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to use guided access to lock a single app. So open the Settings app, tap Accessibility, and turn on guided access, right? So where is the guided access? Here, yeah. Just turn it on inside, right? Next, tap passcode settings to set a secure PIN or enable Face ID, Touch ID. So go back to the settings. Again, scroll a little bit down to find Face ID and passcode. Right? Mine already set up, but in your case, if you haven't already, just go ahead and set up a Face ID and passcode. Right? Once enabled, open the app you want to lock. If your iPhone has a Face ID and a side button, triple click that side button. If your iPhone has a home button, triple click the home button instead. If the accessibility menu appears, tap guided access. So consider liking this video, subscribe it, and also you could tap options or session settings to toggle off features like touch, volume, or the side button. Circle specific screen areas you want to disable with your finger. Finally, tap start in the top right corner to lock the phone to that app. To unlock it later, triple click the side or home button. Enter your PIN or use Face ID, Touch ID, and tap end. So, see you in the next one.